9 William Shakespeare Inspiring Garden Quotes Part 3. One of the arguments against the Shakespeare conspiracy theory is the knowledge of rural life displayed by the author in his plays and poems.
The author had a detailed, observed, knowledge of the flower, flora and fauna of Warwickshire, the rural area where Shakespeare grew up.
Warwickshire is well known for the proliferation of violets in the spring. Shakespeare loved this humble little flower and his texts are strewn with violets.
Number 1. A violet in the youth of primy nature, forward not permanent.
Number 2. I think the king is but a man, as I am. The violet smells to him as it doth to me. The element shows to him as it doth to me. Henry V.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of this video.
Number 3. From her fair and unpolluted flesh may violets spring. Hamlet.
Number 4. Purple violets and marigolds shall as a carpet hang upon thy grave. From Pericles. Number 5. The tempter or the tempted? Who sins most? Ha! Not she, nor doth she tempt. But it is I that, lying by the violet in the sun, do as a Karen does, not as a flower. Corrupt with virtuous season, from Measure for Measure. Number 6. Flower of this purple dye, hit with Cupid's archery, sink in apple of his eye. From A Midsummer Night's Dream. Number 7. Yet marked I where the bolt of Cupid fell. It fell upon a little western flower, before milk white, now purple with love's wound, and maids call it love and idleness. From A Midsummer Night's Dream. Number 8. When the daffodils begin to peer, with hey, the ducksy over the dale, why then comes in the sweet all the year, for the red blood reigns in the winter's pale. From The Winter's Tale. 9. Lawn as white as driven snow, cypress black as air was crow, gloves as sweet as Damascus roses. The Winter's Tale.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of this video.